Here we go. Come on, Maggie. Keep going. That a girl. Yeah, ooh, look at you. Come on, Maggie. Keep coming, keep coming. That a girl. That a girl, Maggie. Come on. Up, sit up. Look at those legs go. Oh, yeah, Maggie. That a girl. You're doing such a good job. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, Maggie. Ooh, kick, kick, kick. Sorry for the shaky video. Somebody has come in and demanded attention. You see, this is her spot on the bed. And I was using the same voice that I talked to Maggie and that I talked to Lucy with. I know. You can do it. That's a girl. Okay, we're taking a nap or a rest. Wait, we're kicking some more. Go, Maggie, go. Look at that, good kicking. Okay, let's get some cuddle time.